summer is already here. It's getting pretty hot, guys. I don't know about your city, but in Hyderabad, we are having like pretty high temperatures, guys. 35, 36 degrees already in March first week. Imagine what will be the situation in April. Anyways, I'm like very excited for this summer, guys. Summer 2024. Lots of interesting and fun tech launches are happening. So I'm like really looking forward to. And I believe you people are also done with your exams, right? Summer vacation. What are your plans for this year? Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, coming back to today's video, we have a brand new wireless active noise cancelling headphones. Last time, I think 10 days or 12 days back, we reviewed Sennheiser's Accentum Plus wireless headphones, right? And they had like very interesting features, hybrid ANC, 50-hour battery life and stuff like that. But some of you people said that, Vimal, these are slightly a bit expensive for us, going over the budget. Can you show us something affordable? And for you people, we have a brand new model from Sennheiser again, just launched like 1 or 2 days back only in the Indian market. These are Sennheiser's Accentum wireless headphones, basically like the non-plus edition. And this also has like interesting features. You are getting hybrid active noise cancellation over here, 50 hours battery life is also there, and a couple of other features as well, which we'll be talking about in this video. Now, I've already been using these headphones for almost like a week, 7 to 8 days I've had this at my place. So today in this video, I'll completely share my experience and feedback on this model. So make sure to watch it till the end, guys. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing part. So our brand new Sennheiser Accentum wireless headphones came in this sort of box packaging. It's available in 2 different colors. We have the black color edition, and major differences if you ask between the Accentum and Accentum Plus edition headphones is, see, first of all, the price difference, guys, 4,000-5,000 rupees less price than the Plus edition. And major difference I would say is this one, instead of touch controls, you're getting physical buttons on board, plus you're also not getting a free carry case included in the package. Rest of all, if you talk about the sound and audio quality, that I'll anyhow talk about during the review part. First of all, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife, tear this seal over here, open the package and show you how our brand new Accentum wireless headphones look like. There you go, boys, our very first hands-on at the product. We got the beautiful Accentum wireless headphones at the top, that too in black color. Looks pretty good, right? Keeping that aside, you do get some documents, make sure to read that. A Type-C cable is also included for charging sake, and that's it. Very simple, guys, nothing else over here. As I've told you, no carry case also included. Let me just peel off the stickers on the ear cups and show you how these headphones look like. Initial impressions pretty good looking, right? I mean, look at this clean black design, and looks like entire body is made of like plastic material only, but okay, good, solid, durable only is what I can say. Fully adjustable as well. Ear cups can be swiveled complete 180 degrees, and even the headband is also adjustable, guys, so it can fit almost any head size. And as I've told you, there are no touch controls over here. Major difference between this and the Plus edition. Instead, you're getting physical buttons on the right ear cup. And having a closer look, let me show you all the buttons. I believe these are your volume up and down, and the center one must be your media play pause, guys, plus multifunction button as well. This must be a power button, which also doubles up as ANC and transparency mode switch. Beside that, you have a Type-C port for charging and a tiny status LED indicator. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. And let me also show you the ear cups as well. You're getting artificial leather ear cups and good quality material, as I've told you, guys. Very soft, cushiony is what I can say, and look pretty much very similar to the Plus edition, guys. I mean, look at the Accentum branding, left and right indications on the inside. Not just the ear cups, you do have a bit of cushioning under the headset as well. We'll anyhow discuss that during the comfort part. So that's it, our complete overview on the design, exteriors and build quality. I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. I've been using these headphones for almost like 7-8 days. So first of all, let me share you my experience with the comfort and usability. Sennheiser's Accentum wireless are quite lightweight and build comfortable, guys. I mean, the brand has definitely used like premium sort of materials over here. If you talk about the cushioning part, cushioning is also very soft and spongy and offer like a good level of noise isolation. Yes, you're also getting hybrid ANC. That is again a separate point. We'll come there and talk about that at a later part in the video. But one thing I did notice is I felt the clamping force of the headband over here was slightly a bit on the tighter side, guys. I mean, it's not that disturbing also, but yes, you'll definitely notice this if you're using this for like longer periods of session. And yes, you might even ask about the heat, right? Now, especially these ear cups have like artificial leather material, right? On top of that, if you're using this for the Indian climate, especially in like Hyderabad, where you're having like peak temperatures in summer, you will definitely feel a bit sweaty and heat will build up over here on longer periods of session, say 40-45 minutes. Again, this is the same situation with the most of headphones that come with like artificial leather material, guys. You can't do anything. We are living in a tropical climate. Anyways, keeping that aside, now let's get to the main point and talk about the sound quality. How's the audio over here? Sennheiser's Accentum Wireless offer their signature level sound. I mean, come on, these are like German made brand, right? Obviously, you're getting like premium drivers, that to at an angled position. I'll tell you about the benefits of that in a moment. You're actually getting like 37 drivers over here. And if you talk about the audio quality, right? Audio quality is like pretty good for this price point, guys. I mean, especially it's an affordable category ANC headphones, right? So initially I was a bit skeptical. They might keep some differences between this and the plus edition, but nah, very good audio is what I can say. I've listened to like variety of music tracks, not just music. I've also watched a couple of movies and also web series as well. And first of all, talking about the mids, right? Mid frequency performance was very good, especially if you're listening to dialogues. Dialogue delivery, vocal clarity was on point is what I can say. These are Bluetooth 5.2 headphones and support variety of audio codecs. You're getting SBC, AC, aptX, and aptX HD support is also there. And coming to the bass was also pretty good. It was producing like a tight and punchy bass, guys. I mean, it is not overemphasized or dominating the other frequencies. You had the right amount of bass is what I can say. And especially if you are like an audiophile, right, you will definitely love the sound signature over here. Treble quality is also pretty decent, I would say. Though sometimes if you're listening to certain hip hop tracks, right, or maybe like EDM tracks, I felt treble, especially near like 20 kilohertz or maybe like 18 kilohertz, was slightly overshooting and felt sometimes sharp. But nothing to worry, Sennheiser offers like a fully customizable EQ. You're actually getting like a 5-band EQ using their smart control app. And not just that, they're also offering some special modes as well, where you're getting bass boost feature, vocal clarity to enhance the voice and stuff like that. Instead of these features, right, I felt manual EQ customization was offering much better results, guys. Simply reduce high frequency response, minus 0.3 or minus 0.6, and that was giving like excellent results, guys. Right amount of treble and without any sort of sibilance. Similarly, at the lower end also, slightly increase the bass 80 Hz or 250 Hz, right, to 0.3 or 0.6 dB, and that's it. This was giving like a really good sound profile result, guys. Definitely try it out if you have this model. Now, if you ask about the stereo separation, good stereo separation, I would say, and sound stage is quite special over here. Remember at the beginning I've told you that these headphones have like an angled sort of placed drivers, right? Because of that, compared to regular headphones, they offer much wider sound stage, guys. I mean, you can definitely feel the differences between frequency separation and all of that. On the overall, now for the price point, I was like pretty happy and satisfied with the performance. If you ask about the distortion is also minimum, even if you go up to like 90-95% volume level, and volume level was also loud and satisfactory. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part. How is the active noise cancelling performance? I mean, come on, this is like an affordable category ANC headphones from the company, right? Pretty sure you might have questions, right? First of all, let me tell you, very easy to toggle ANC mode, and apart from ANC, you're also getting transparency mode as well. Basically, if you want to know about your ambience or maybe what is happening, right, simply press this button over here and that will switch between ANC or transparency depending on your requirement. And if you talk about the ANC level, you're actually getting hybrid ANC, which is similar found on the Accentum Plus edition also, and ANC performance was decent, I would say. It was doing a good job in cutting down a lot of unnecessary low frequency sounds, maybe like fan noise, low frequency sounds, especially like construction sounds happening in your neighborhood and stuff like that. It was doing a decent job, I would say, but not as good as their premium Momentum series wireless headphones, guys. I mean, come on, Momentum series are almost like double the price of these, right? You cannot compare both of them. But okay, for this price point, ANC performance was pretty good. We're almost coming to an end, right? So let me tell you about the battery life as well. On board, you're getting an 800 mAh battery, and battery life on these headphones is excellent, guys. On an average, if you're using these headphones around like 60-65% volume level, that too with active noise cancellation, they will give you almost like 45-46 hours of battery life, guys, per charge. And if you ask about the charging time, it roughly takes around like 3 to 3.5 hours to fully charge it from 0 to 100. And not to miss out, they do have fast charging support as well. A simple 10-minute charge will offer you almost up to like 5 hours of music play time. Before we end the video, let me also quickly show you how the microphone quality on these headphones sound like. In fact, the audio that you're hearing right now is from Sennheiser's Accentum wireless headphones. I'm recording the audio from the headphones onto my smartphone directly. Hello, check 1 2 3. What do you think, guys? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. It has like a 2 mic beamforming design, and this is how it sounds like. Well, that's it, boys. Our video on Sennheiser's all new Accentum wireless headphones. Really good headphones for the price point. See, if you're looking for like best travel headphones with active noise cancellation around 10,000 rupees, right? You can definitely go for it because the audio quality, sound signature that you're getting is like really good. You'll definitely enjoy music. Plus, ANC performance is also pretty good. Plus, apart from that, you're also getting like transparency mode, right? For ambient awareness, that is also there. And not to miss out, major thing is 50 hours battery life, guys. Insane is what I can say. Only couple of things you're missing out over here is no touch controls. Again, as I've told you, they wanted to keep a bit of differences between this and the Plus edition, so they removed that. And apart from that, I really wish, Sennheiser should have included a free carry case considering the price tag. But apart from that, everything else was fine. It costs around 11,990 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.